Hello everybody, today I'm making cabbage stew with a bit of a little carrot in it. So this is my pot on the fire. This is my cooked tomatoes, plum tomatoes, puree tomatoes and chili, and nice bonnet chili ground in there, a little bit with onions and garlic. This is my boiled chicken, that's my chopped onions, that's my sweet pepper, and my spices and my fresh thyme I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna tip in my oil in the saucepan. Hope you all are keeping safe, keeping well. Hope everybody is fine. I want to say another big thank you for all my fans, all that have been very genuine, supporting me, encouraging me when I'm complaining that when I go on this live streaming, you meet people there, they say let's go and dance, and you find out that nobody, those you dance with them, at the end of the day they are not dancing with you genuinely. It's so annoying, but you know, what can I do? So let's crack on. Thank you so much for all my genuine friends, all my new friends I've met this couple of weeks. It's so amazing. You guys are amazing, 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 amazing. Branded me. Hooray to you. A big shout out to you. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna tip in my onions in there. And my garlic paste is in there as well. Garlic paste is already in there with the onions. Keep frying it. You know, because I love to cook. You know, I love to experiment, ingredient mix up together. I like to cook other people's recipe, you know, look at every country recipe and cook it and eat. This is what I eat, you know, what I cook here, download on the YouTube. Like I told you guys, it's what we eat at home. You know, so I'm gonna bang in the chicken to be frying with the onions. Hope everybody is fine, keeping well. This is the higher burner. I'm gonna transfer it here. This one is too slow, otherwise I'll be here all day. So let's transfer it into the big burner. You know, I don't know guys, sometimes when I do a little bit of cooking I use a little burner, but most cases I just go to my big burner and just cook quickly, so job done, you know. So the chicken is frying in there with the onions. Please guys, when you go to my channel to watch my video when we dance together, look for the short video. I got short video there. Please comment to what you watch on my video. Make a comment on what you watch on my video. Don't go there and say, oh yeah, it's lovely, it's beautiful, it's yummy, you know, this food is delicious. No, make a comment to what you watch related to the video you watch before you start saying, oh wow, be my friend. Please do not come to my channel and watch my video and say be my friend, beginning with your words on there on your comment. This thing, be my friend, a new friend is here, a friend from Facados Kafancha is here. No, when you make your short comment, genuine short comment relating to the video you watch, then you cannot say a new friend is here. Do not drop a message to say return back parcel, or a new friend is here. No, come on, let's grow up, man. If you know you do it there, I will send you a message to come and take your hand to delete it and redo it again. A lot of people are subscribed to, they didn't come back to subscribe to me again. If I start calling them, yes, it doesn't look nice, but I will leave them. I will just leave them and move on. I will meet good people on the way, because this is a journey. So I'm tipping my tomatoes. I'm using one hand to cook, using one hand to upload.